Alright guys, so this video is going out to Skydio. Skydio, I was out here flying my drone, 30% battery at 7:30 in the evening. The Skydio2 decided to go down right behind me, right there. Right here, my Skydio2 went in the water. I had 30% battery. 30% battery. My controller had 45% battery and it decided to land right there. Why? I don't know. The return to home didn't work. I'll show you over here where we took off from. Okay, so guys, this is platform right here. This is the platform I was flying from. I had the drone maybe 10-15 yards out and it started landing right in the water. Why? I don't know. Just so sick I could throw up.
Talk some more.
So my Skydio2 is in the water somewhere there, guys. It's just stick to my stomach. Yeah, so we were both flying drones and he had his Navigator 2 up in the air and we're just flying here as the kayakers were coming by, and you know, we kind of got in each other's way every once in a while, and I know you got footage of the Skydio2 flying right in front of you.
Right.
And you're behind me. So I'm going to post that for you guys to look at so you can help me out, figure out what happened to the Skydio2. But something was terribly wrong. Return to home didn't work. Not sure why. It just did not work. So, yeah, stick to my stuff. So I'm flying the Skydio2 from the platform about 10-15 yards away, and it decides to start landing like now, and I'm just like freaking out. So at that point in time I was like, hey Robbie man, can you bring back your Air2 and see if you can give me a hand, get this Skydio back. You can see as he's coming back, there's the Skydio2 just hovering as he cruises back, and you can see me on the platform right here desperately trying to do everything I can to get this thing back to the platform. One thing to note, these three guys right here, they later pray with me. But let's get back to the case in point. As Robbie is putting his Navigator 2 away, you'll see the Skydio 2 between the handrails. As I'm reaching down into my ruggedized case to get my beacon out, I figured, you know, it last ditch effort here to get this Skydio, malfunctioning Skydio, back to the platform. You can see I'm grabbing the beacons there as the Skydio 2 starts coming down. Oh my gosh, it was so sickening. I mean, I much rather just crash it into a wall or something, or into a wire, than watch it slowly descend into the water. It was surreal. It just, here's the prayer.
Long for him to be with you. How special that he is compared to the lost airplane, Lord. You would go all the way and sacrifice yourself. That's the price, not $1,000, but for him, you would go all the way. And we thank you for that salvation, Lord, and it includes healing, Lord. So we thank you for the healing that's already taken place and for the thankfulness in his life right now. And we thank you that the pain is going now in Jesus' name.
Amen. Boom. Boom. So, what was your take, man?
I was in shock when it was trying to land. It wouldn't let you do anything. It wouldn't come home. It was just hovering there, and it was above our base that we were actually on. So
Yeah.
it wasn't too close to the water. Wasn't any issues there.
No, it wasn't any pilot error. It was just some kind of malfunction because it wouldn't respond to it.
It was like it went into a pause mode or something,
Yeah.
and just wasn't accepting any commands at all.
And then decided to land for some crazy reason. Why? Why not return to home?
Right in
Why
the
don't
water.
we have a fail-safe software to just return to home?
Exactly.
Connection?
Something to stop it.
Yeah.
Take it back up.
If the connection is lost, go up and come back.
Exactly.
I don't get it. I really don't get it. Alright. So, sick to my stomach, guys. Once again, Skydio, I'm looking for your help. Help me out here. My Duranify channel, the name of my channel is Duranify. Website, Duranify.com, Duranify.live. Everything's Duranify, D-U-R-A-N-A-F-Y. And my name's Alfredo Duran. Sick to my stomach watching my Skydio2 go in the water. I'm signing off, guys. God, that was sick.